Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make a very quick and easy Chinese eggplant stir fry. Let's get started. Here's a couple of ingredients that you'll need. Now I'll start by slicing up 1 red chili and I'll be using 2 chili padis. I'm going to slice up half an onion, and you're gonna need some minced garlic as well as half an inch of ginger. Now as for our eggplant, instead of slicing off the stem, just slice it downwards so we can get the most out of our eggplant. Now be sure you give it a quick rinse and set it aside. Now prepare your pan over a medium flame and drizzle some oil. If you guys have any peanut oil, it'd be great as well. Now you just add in a tablespoon of garlic and quickly tossing it around and start adding in your brinjal. Why we've added it in so early into the mix is just to ensure that our garlic is not over fried or too brown and it's still retaining its flavor. Now it's time to set it aside, add in our sliced up ingredients and give it a couple of tosses just before we start mixing up all together. Now it's time to bring in more flavor to the mix. A tablespoon of soy sauce, as well as a tablespoon of chinkiang vinegar. And don't forget to add a couple of dashes of white pepper. And last but not least, a tablespoon of sugar. And we're finished! I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy breezy recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!